Have you ever imagined an animal with a heart as heavy as a car and blood pressure strong enough to explode human veins? This is the Brachiosaurus, the breathing skyscraper of the Jurassic era. Imagine the pressure required to pump blood as high as a 4-story building. To circulate blood up its 9-meter-long neck, the Brachiosaurus had a massive heart weighing nearly 200 kilograms. Its blood pressure is estimated to be 4 times higher than a human's, the highest pressure ever recorded in the biological history of land animals. The name Brachiosaurus means arm lizard. Why? Because unlike other sauropod dinosaurs, such as the Diplodocus, the Brachiosaurus's front legs were actually longer than its hind legs. This gave it a giraffe-like posture, allowing it to reach the highest treetops that its competitors couldn't touch. The Brachiosaurus weighed approximately 60 tons, equivalent to 12 African elephants. To maintain its energy, it had to consume about 400 kilograms of plants every single day. Interestingly, they did not chew. They had spoon-shaped teeth that functioned only to comb through leaves, which they then swallowed whole. Because they didn't chew, the Brachiosaurus swallowed large stones called gastroliths. These stones remained in their stomachs and acted like a biological blender to grind down tough plant fibers for digestion. So, inside this giant's belly, there was always the sound of stones clashing together. How could such a heavy neck even be lifted? If the Brachiosaurus's neck bones were solid, it wouldn't have been able to raise its head because it would be too heavy. The secret: their neck bones contained air sacs, pneumatic bones, similar to the bones of modern birds. This made them incredibly strong yet remarkably light. In the past, scientists thought the nostrils on top of its head were for breathing while submerged in water, like a snorkel. However, physics proved this wrong. If it dove that deep, the immense water pressure would have crushed its lungs. We now know those nostrils functioned to cool its brain under the scorching Jurassic sun. The Brachiosaurus reminds us that on Earth, nature's scale was once far grander than we can imagine. It wasn't just a dinosaur, it was a masterpiece of biological engineering that ruled the Jurassic for millions of years. But which part of this giant's biology blew your mind the most? Was it the car-sized heart or the stones in its stomach? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one.